Phrase 1. Expatiate on someone or something. Meaning. To say or write many words about someone or something. Example. I have heard you expatiate on Harry quite enough, thank you. She expatiated endlessly on the evils of tobacco. Phrase 2. Dead in the water. Meaning. Stalled. Immobile. Example. The project is out of funds and dead in the water for the time being. This whole company is dead in the water. Phrase 3. Keep someone or something down. Meaning. To hold someone or something in a hidden or protected position. Example. Try to keep Sam down where no one can see him. Please keep the noise down so Fred won't know it's a party when he comes in. Phrase 4. Beyond a reasonable doubt. Meaning. Almost without any doubt. Example. He was also found guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. The jury decided beyond a reasonable doubt that she had committed the crime. Phrase 5. Bawl someone out. Meaning. To scold someone in a loud voice. Example. The teacher bawled the student out for arriving late. Principals don't usually bawl out students. Phrase 6. Sell someone out. Meaning. To betray someone. To reveal damaging information about someone. Example. Bill told everything he knew about Bob, and that sold Bob down the river. Lefty sold out his friends, and we'll all soon be arrested. You'll be sorry if you sell me out. Phrase 7. The coast is clear. Meaning. There is no visible danger. Example. I'm going to stay hidden here until the coast is clear. You can come out of your hiding place now. The coast is clear. Phrase 8. To put it another way. Meaning. A phrase introducing a restatement of what someone, usually the speaker, has just said. Example. Father, you're still very young, Tom. To put it another way, you don't have any idea about what you're getting into. John, could you go back to your own room now, Tom? I have to study. Put another way, get out of here. Tom, okay. Don't get your bowels in an uproar. Phrase 9. The right to do something. Meaning. The freedom to do something. The legal or moral permission or license to do something. Example. I have a right to grow anything I want on my farmland. You don't have the right to enter my home without my permission. Phrase 10. Keep someone in ignorance about someone or something. Meaning. To prevent someone from learning specific information about someone or something. Example. I don't know about her. I have kept myself in ignorance on purpose. I think we had better keep them all in ignorance about the money for a while.